Hey everyone, this is weather forecaster Liam here with a winter update video on Winter Storm Gage. And Winter Storm Gage has already dumped snow across the west and the Rocky Mountains, but now is taking aim at the central and north central portion of the United States, where it could dump up to 2 feet of snow. Wind gusts of over 45 miles per hour is possible during Winter Storm Gage. That could bring blizzard conditions. And Gage is also going to bring some pretty good freezing rain and sleet accumulations. And to the south, a few thunderstorms are expected as well. I'll have the future radar, snowfall and freezing rain amounts, the current National Weather Service hazards map, and much more. All coming up on this winter update video of TRA Weather. Today is December 27th, 2019. I hope you all enjoyed your Christmas, and man, besides the far southwestern portion of the United States, weather-wise it was really warm and boring outside for Christmas. But it's definitely not going to be boring this weekend and into next week. So here's a current look at the National Weather Service hazards map. You can see we have a lot going on here. The areas shaded in pink, dark blue, and purple are all under winter weather hazards. The area shaded in pink is under a winter storm warning. The area shaded in dark blue is under a winter storm watch. And the area shaded in purple is under a winter weather advisory. This is all due to Winter Storm Gage as it plans to bring blizzard conditions, strong winds, freezing rain, sleet, and snow to the central, north central, and northeast portion of the United States. So let's get right to the future radar forecast from the NAM 12KM model. And we're going to start at 1 a.m. Eastern Time Saturday, very early in the morning. And we're looking across the entire United States right now, where we're dealing with some snow showers across the Rocky Mountains and also some snow beginning to fall in northwestern Nebraska and southwestern South Dakota. And also a line of rain showers making their way eastward. That's the cold front, and it's not quite severe yet, though it could be severe later on into the day, into Saturday, into Sunday, maybe even Monday, as it works its way on into some less stable air in the south central and southeastern portion of the United States. And a few tornadoes can't be ruled out. So if you do live in those regions, definitely keep an eye on Winter Storm Gage's severe side. Let's go forward to 8 a.m. Eastern Time Saturday morning. Line of rain continues to make its way eastward. A lot of snow still falling across the Rocky Mountains, but areas like North Dakota, Minnesota, Iowa, starting to see some snow and wintry precip enter those areas. Go forward to 4 p.m. Eastern Time Saturday evening. A lot of rain across the central United States, could be severe the further south you go. Still seeing some snow across the Rocky Mountains, but more so now to western Nebraska, the Dakotas, northern Minnesota, and maybe even some winter precip into northern Wisconsin and western upper Michigan. Go forward to midnight Saturday, going into Sunday. A lot of rain across the Ohio Valley, center of low pressure over Iowa. A lot of cold and heavy rain, especially in those areas. And again, could be severe across southern Missouri, Arkansas, Louisiana, northeastern Texas. Further south you go, the better chance you have at seeing severe weather. And also, a lot of snow continue to fall across northern Minnesota, the Dakotas, and Nebraska. And you see how close together those isobars are. That is an indication of changes in pressure and also an indication of some very heavy wind. So North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, northern Minnesota, midnight Saturday, you could be dealing with blizzard conditions. So keep that in mind if you live in those areas. Go forward to 8 a.m. Eastern Time Sunday morning. Center of low pressure is over Minnesota, bringing rain to the east and northeast side and snow to the northwest and western side. And look, those isobars are even closer together. So Sunday morning, very heavy wind across the Dakotas, Minnesota, and some pretty heavy snow as well. I'd be very shocked to see if there was not one area in North Dakota, South Dakota, or western Minnesota to see blizzard conditions. And you see that line of storms now near the Ohio Valley and working its way on into the southeast. It's a very thin line of storms, though definitely could be severe. Forward to 4 p.m. Eastern Time Sunday evening. Low pressure system really hasn't moved much, still over the same region, but you see those storms starting to flare up in the southeast, especially across Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee, and also into Alabama. Got to watch those areas. Forward to 2 a.m. Eastern Time Monday morning. A lot of rain across the Ohio Valley, a little less severe in the southeast by this time into Alabama and Georgia, though a tornado or two is still possible, though chances are definitely getting lower. And still some snow across Minnesota and the Dakotas and also northeastern Nebraska. And also seeing some snow in the northeast now in Maine, Vermont, New Hampshire, and some wintry precip in northeastern New York State and Massachusetts. Let's go forward again to 10 a.m. Eastern Time Monday morning. Seeing a lot of rain in the northeast and still some wintry precip the further northeast you go. Center of low pressure is now over northern Michigan at 988 millibars. A very strong winter storm Gage still occurring, bringing snow across upper Michigan, Wisconsin, and still in Minnesota, Dakotas, and northeastern Nebraska. And let's go forward one more time to 10 p.m. Eastern Time Monday night. Not much rain now on this map. It's all over the Atlantic Ocean, just dealing with some snow and wintry precip now, mainly in the northeast. But the center of low pressure is still pretty strong according to the NAM model at 990 millibars. Still bringing snow across Minnesota, Wisconsin, and upper Michigan, as well as Michigan and a few areas in the Ohio Valley. Though going into Monday night and into Tuesday, the snow should start winding down. Low pressure system should start weakening and working its way further on into Canada. But how much snowfall could we expect from Winter Storm Gage? Well, according to the GFS model, and this is for now and until Tuesday, most areas that see snow from Winter Storm Gage will see between 6 and 9 inches, though some isolated spots could see over a foot, between 12 and 15 inches, especially across Nebraska, the Dakotas, and portions of the northeastern United States. And that's the GFS. We go over to the European model, about the same picture in the northeast as the GFS painted, though look at that in the north central portion of the United States. Much higher totals according to the European model. Some areas getting between 20 and 24 inches. That is 2 feet of snow. Much different from the GFS model's prediction on Winter Storm Gage. So in the next day or two, we'll see which model trends towards the other on snowfall accumulation totals. And it's not just snowfall we have to worry about. We also have to worry about some ice and sleet accumulation. Though most areas will see under a quarter of an inch of ice, some areas, especially across Minnesota, Wisconsin, New York State, Connecticut, Vermont, and also Massachusetts, could see a quarter of an inch of ice or maybe even more than that. So if you live in those areas, definitely keep an eye on the ice accumulation, which is sleet and freezing rain. Okay, here's the storm hazards on Winter Storm Gage. Snowfall will be high. Visibility risk will be very high. Ice accumulation will be high. Wind will be high. Cold temperatures will be medium. And what I mean by that is how cold the temperatures are during the winter storm. And they're going to dip into the mid to low 20s. So it's going to be pretty decently cold outside when snow's falling. Power outages are medium. Rain mixed in with that snow will be medium, and flooding will be medium. When to expect this? You can expect this for now and until Tuesday. And the hazardous area is the central, north central, northeast, and the Rocky Mountains. Hey, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like and share this with family and friends or whoever you would think that would enjoy watching TRA weather, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also check out the links listed below to my Twitter and Instagram pages and my brand new Discord channel. Thank you. See you next time.